Hey, ready to build deployment-ready models? Welcome to AI Lab. Let's quickly go through the steps needed to create a good model. It all starts from the clear goal. What problem are we solving? What is the visual feature that separates the classes? A strong definition avoids the common pitfall of human disagreement on labels. Your model's performance depends on solid data, starting with precise task setup. Check out our example datasets for inspiration. Next, you need to set up your image acquisition. The criterion of a good image acquisition is whether you can separate the classes with only the image. Remember to rely on the image only. Our AI models don't have the luxury of a movable perspective. Ensure the test objects capture the full range of class variations. Otherwise, you might need to revisit this later, wasting valuable time. With your setup ready, it is time to capture and upload images. We recommend setting up uniVision and WeHub on your PC or laptop for automatic uploads to your dataset. WeHub buffers images locally, sending them to AI Lab's cloud when internet is available, ensuring reliability in industrial environments. This unlocks the full AI loop, allowing easy deployment of trained models back to your wenglor device as well. Alternatively, drag and drop images directly into AI Lab for quick uploads. Now that your images are uploaded, let's start to annotate them, a crucial step to help the model learn. A model learns by looking at the images, making predictions about what they show, and comparing those to the ground truth, which is the correct answer given by you. While you're annotating the images, remember to check the definitions you made earlier, and try your best to make sure they are consistent across your dataset. Once you are satisfied with the annotation, you can proceed to train a model. At AI Lab, we require a minimum of 2 classes and 5 images per class. However, we recommend a minimum of 50 images per class before you start to train a model, which we think is a good starting point for evaluating the model. Similar to designing an exam as a teacher, you would want more than 5 questions to test if the student knows what they're doing, right? Our default model configuration is designed to work in most cases. We suggest you just try it and optimize it later. Just click Train and grab a coffee if your dataset has less than 500 images. When you return with a coffee, the model should be ready. Now that the model is trained, let's review it. If it meets your needs, deploy it seamlessly. Go to uniVision on your laptop and load the latest model or the primary model. You can assign the primary model in AI Lab. Not satisfied? Don't worry, we will improve this as part of the process. AI Lab embraces the data-centric approach. We believe that high-performing models come from refined datasets, and our tools simplify the cleanup. Click Review Wrong Predictions to identify issues. You'll see 2 scenarios. The ground truth is wrong, or the prediction is wrong. Fix ground truth errors on the spot. If the prediction is wrong, rest assured, they'll improve as we iterate. After reviewing, retrain and assess again. Repeat until your dataset is clean, then add more images and continue. This data-centric and iterative workflow boosts accuracy gradually while keeping everything actionable without requiring machine learning expertise. That's all. Now you have an overview of how to build deployment-ready models with AI Lab. For more details, we have in-depth tutorials or just reach out to us. We're here to help.